Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to remove unwanted people from street photos using AI removal tool. Open your street photo in Photoshop, then zoom into the area where extra people are standing. Then select the AI remove tool from the toolbar and gently paint over the person you want to remove. Instantly Photoshop clean the space perfectly, then background blends automatically with smart fill. Now adjust brush size for tiger corners. Continue removing other unwanted people and add a slight blur to smooth the background. Use a clone stamp if details needed fixing. Enhance lighting with curves for realism and add a